How to fix iPhone stuck on home would like to send you critical alerts error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, swipe up on your home screen and you will see the home app there. Simply completely close the home app and wait for a few seconds. This will force quit the app and refresh the app. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if you still receive critical alerts notification, then go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on notifications and tap on home. Here you will see the critical alerts toggle button. Go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for critical alerts. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. If not, then in settings again, tap on notifications again and then tap on home. Now go ahead and completely disable notifications from home by simply toggling off the allow notifications toggle button. Also, in settings again, tap on your name on top and then tap on the iCloud option you see there, and then go ahead and tap on the see all option. Here, navigate to home option and then go ahead and toggle off the home toggle button and restart your device and then try to toggle on home again. This will refresh your HomeKit data and usually clear the looping alert. And if your issue is still not fixed, then open the Home app on your device and then tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Remove Home. Tap on that and then confirm the removal. Once removed, you can try to restart your iPhone and then reopen the Home app, as this will create a fresh home setup. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can try to update your iOS. So launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Here, make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iPhone to its latest version, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone stuck on home would like to send you critical alerts. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.